Hi, this is Kyle. I'm one of the instructional designers at CBU's Center for Digital Instruction. And I've got a 4-part series of videos to outline for you and discuss some of the features of a free video editor that comes included with Windows 10. It's Windows 10 Video Editor. It's a little hidden in the Photos app, but it's a nice little piece of free software designed for people that maybe don't have the best cloud network connection and perhaps are having some difficulty with a cloud-based video editor and having some of the uploaded videos getting lost in translation. So I guess for CBU faculty, I'm speaking to those of you who are maybe basic Canvas users and having some difficulty using the Canvas Studio built-in video editor. Windows 10 Video Editor, I think, is a pretty good, although basic, option for you. So let's go ahead and head over to the PC and we'll get started taking a look at this interesting little piece of software. So here we are on my PC, and before we get started, I just want to demonstrate that the assets I'll be using in constructing this video, I've already located and set aside on my desktop in a folder. And we have a handful of PNG images that we're going to be using for introductions and the extra, and a couple that we're going to embed during the video itself. And then we have a handful of clips, and we're going to keep this video fairly simple. What we're going to be doing with the clips is we're going to be trimming them, the front and the back, because they include parts of the video that we don't want in our final, like me turning on and off the camera. We're also going to be splicing those clips together and fusing them together with the images. And then we're going to take one of the clips and we're going to split it and divide it into two and then trim it just to use certain segments of it. So we're going to cover some ground here, but we're not going to cover some of the more advanced features of video editing. We'll do that in a later video. So now that I have my 10 tips assets, which is the video that I'm going to be making, 10 tips to better video, set aside in a folder, I'm ready to start editing. And so to do this, Windows 10 has included a video editor in the Photos app. So I've launched the Photos app. We can also type in photos here that take us to the app. And if we notice up at the top, one of the tabs is a video editor. So I'm going to click it. And it looks like I've got a couple of, at least one project that's already been started. They found some folders Windows has with photos in it. I'm going to click that off. A little memo here that says that the synced in progress projects that's connected to OneDrive has been removed. So I can ignore that because I'm not going to be using that function. Then we've got another thing that's created for you, which is me, and that's suggestions that Windows 10 Video Editor has given me for videos that I might like to create. So I'm going to click off of this and remove it so that you see. Now, if it's your first time using Video Editor, exactly what I am seeing. So to begin this process, what we're going to do is, really the only thing that we can do here, is open up a new video project. And then I am prompted to give it a name. So I'm going to call this, remember I said it's going to be 10 tips to better videos, and hit OK. So now it's probably a good idea for me to tell you a little bit about kind of this desktop that we're seeing here. We have three portions of this app. One is kind of a big repository where I can put all of the assets that I'll be using to construct this video in and load them in using the add button, so that I can drag and drop them down on the storyboard in a certain order, so that storyboard is the second part of this app. And then the third part of the app here is my viewer, so that I can preview some of the things that I've fused together in this video.